Jewellery Door, the Assistant Home and Craft Editor at Women's Weekly magazine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3-stranded bracelet. To calculate the length of the bracelet, measure the width of the closed clasp and add 5mm to allow for crimp beads. Subtract this measurement from the desired bracelet length for the final measurement. For our project you will need 90cm of flexible beading wire, 3 silver 3-hole spacer bars, silver 3-strand clasp, approximately 16 10mm lozenge fuchsia quartz beads, 6 silver crimp beads, approximately 40 4mm purple glass beads, and approximately 20 8mm lilac dyed jade beads. You will also need flat nose pliers and some wire snippers. Snip the 90cm flexible beading wire into 3 30cm lengths with wire snippers. Insert each end of the beading wire through the centre hole of a 3-hole spacer bar. Thread on fuchsia quartz beads for 4 cm on each end of the beading wire. Move the beads and the spacer bars along the beading wire so that they lie side by side. At this point it's a good idea to measure from one end of the beads to the other. Add or remove beads at each end of the beading wire if necessary. Fix the centre ring of one section of a 3-hole clasp to one end of the beading wire with the crimp bead. To see this technique in more detail, check out the Basic Techniques video on the Good to Know website. Move the beads and spacer bars along the beading wire so that they lie side by side again. Fix the other end of the beading wire to the other section of the clasp with the crimp bead, checking that your clasp lies in the correct way to slot together. Insert another length of beading wire through the top hole of the first spacer bar used. Matching the length of the first row of fuchsia beads, thread on 8mm lilac dyed jade beads each side of the spacer bar. Insert the ends of the beading wire through the top holes of the next spacer bars, then add further beads. Fix the ends of the beading wire to the top holes of both sections of the clasp, again matching the lengths. Repeat this process for the bottom row using 4mm purple glass beads. The finished length of your bracelet will be approximately 18 centimetres. So there you go, a pretty 3-stranded bracelet, but if you prefer something a bit more chunky, you can actually get clasps that allow for more beads, and likewise if you want something a bit more delicate, you could just do, say, a 1-stranded bracelet. So yeah, I hope you have fun making yours.